Reading Pioneers is proud to present Bubba the Hamster Tames His Tantrums by Olivia Wade. Pictures by Ina Turova. Bubba the hamster lives in a comfy cage with his furry family. Bubba is often sweet, but he quickly turns red when he doesn't get his way. When Bubba is angry, he stomps and pounds his feet. Even his tail starts to glow when Bubba hears no. When Bubba and his sister Bella gobble a yummy snack, Bubba sees more carrots on Bella's plate. He turns so mad, he roars like a lion. "It's okay to be angry," Bella calmly replies. "But it's not okay to scream, hit, or bite," Mom adds. Bubba just glares meanly at them. Like happy or sad, anger is a normal emotion, Mom explains. "All critters feel angry," Bella whispers. Mom touches Bubba's hot back with her gentle paw. "But it's never okay to hurt others with actions or words." "My hamster paw hurts so much, Mama," Bubba cries. "That's an anger sign. Learn to spot them," Mom adds. "Like traffic signs to help cars slow down," Bella states. "When you feel an anger sign, stop. Take a deep breath and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, Mom coaches. "Mom always knows best," Bubba giggles. "Try it, bro, try it," Bella laughs. Next, Bubba does deep belly breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, then out 5, 6, 7, 8. Guess what? He feels like a brand new hamster. "I'm not hot and red anymore," Bubba admits. "Find your happy place with belly breathing," Bella sings. "I'm so proud. You managed your anger, so it didn't control you." Bella gives Bubba a big fuzzy hug. Bubba grins. His fingers are free, ready to finish the puzzle. When Bubba can't find the last piece, he rages. He looks like a furball of fire with his claws out. Bella is super shocked at Bubba. Bubba huffs and puffs like a dragon. "Stop and tell me 3 things you see and 1 thing you hear, taste, touch, and smell," Bella asks. Bubba remembers his hot face and wet fur as anger signs. He stops and pauses to calm his dragon anger. "I see my loving sister, her cool bow, and the polka-dotted curtain," Bubba lists. "I hear the wind blowing, taste crunchy carrots, and touch my sweaty fur. Finally, I smell fresh flowers." The next day, Daddy and Bubba ride the Ferris wheel. All hamsters love wheels, right? They cheer as the ride goes round and higher as tall as the trees. Yet when the fun ride stops, Bubba's anger starts. "Arr! Again? Ah! Again?" Bubba hollers loudly. "Bubba, stop and use your words wisely," Dad reminds. I don't want to stop the ride. It makes me feel like a superhero inside. Bubba finally uses his words. Great use of your words. It's a bummer to stop. But how about a snack? Dad offers. In turn, Dad and Bubba picnic in the park. They happily crunch and munch on popcorn. Bubba sips his water and feels so calm. Using his words really cooled his anger. Watching the sunset, Bubba beams with pride. Finally, Dad drives Bubba home safely. They chat about the fun day at the park. Bubba's heart is hamsterific and happy. He gazes at the stars outside the window. Like the sparkling stars above, Bubba knows that he's a star too. With the help of his fab and furry family, Bubba the hamster finally learned to control his anger. So you and I can do it mindfully too. Thank you, Pioneers, for joining us today with the story Bubba the Hamster Tames His Tantrums by Olivia Wade. If you're new to this channel, this isn't the only book by Olivia Wade. Her first book was Bubba the Hamster Is Not Afraid, which you can read along by clicking the card above. However, there's another book that has just released called Bubba the Hamster Soars with Kindness. If you're interested in this future upload, remember to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you can be the first to read with us. You can also visit Olivia's Amazon page by clicking the link in the description box below, as well as her website, which has reading materials, coloring pages, and more. I'm so grateful to Olivia for letting me read her books, and I hope you all check out the links and support her efforts too. Bubba the Hamster Tames His Tantrums was a fun read. Bubba's family helps him learn how to control his emotions and calm his tantrums, which I think is very important for children to also learn and try. Everyone has probably had a tantrum, and especially these days, our emotions may get the best of us, but learning new ways to control them can help, and this book wonderfully describes how important family can be. If you would like to get your book read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, and hopefully we can turn your book into a read aloud. It would also be awesome to click the like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment below your ways of handling tantrums and anger with children or even adults. For other stories by authors like Olivia, you can click the box on the left, and her other story with Bubba the Hamster is over here on the right. This, however, is it for today's video. So thanks again, everyone, for reading along with us. And until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.